Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is our monthly anniversary. I thought it'd just be really cute if we did a boyfriend does my makeup challenge. So this is my boyfriend. He doesn't really like cameras, so it was kind of a struggle to get him on camera. But anyway. Okay, let's get this video started.
Makeup and Forever, some tint, invisible cover foundation.
Okay, there you go. Okay. Dab motions. Oh. You don't get it on my eyebrow.
Oh.
Ow! Don't dab over there. Is that good? Okay, what are you gonna do next? Oh.
Let me see what's doing now. All right, yeah, put it. Okay. Gotta make your eyebrows all popping.
Okay, other cheek. This actually looks pretty good.
Thank you, I'm an artist. That's for your eyes, right?
Yeah.
You gotta close your eyes. Don't open them, don't open them. It's gotta be a surprise, though.
Hey, you have to blend out. Why are you doing my eyebrows? Everything's doing popping.
Now look.
I look like I have dirt on my face.
Now let me go ahead and blend some white in there. Let's try some more blush. Let's make you a little pink.
The entire cheek?
No, I'm just doing a little circle. You know, you gotta look like you're blushing because I'm so cute.
Yeah.
Let's go ahead and highlight that cheekbones for you. You need pepper, huh? Okay. There you go. Get a little highlight on there.
Okay, what about mascara? Yeah, like that. Okay. Very careful. Oh god. Hey look, got some eyelashes.
I'm gonna take a picture of this when I'm done. Go do the other one.
Oh, you're getting really close to my eye.
Okay.
You have to do the outside. You can do the outside.
Oh, I can do the outside of this one either. Okay.
Got some eyelashes going on.
Got half eyelashes going on. Use some cat eyes.
Yeah, give me some cat
Okay,
eyes.
go ahead. Give me. I don't know what to do. Okay, so we'll give you cat eyes for that. I think you look good.
What about lips? No.
I don't know how to do this.
Anything else?
I think this is the finished product.
Where's the masterpiece? How do you feel?
I think I did pretty darn good. If you ever need makeup done, hit me up. My email. We'll put it in the video then.
Okay. Nice even coat of foundation. She looks pretty good. And the eyebrows. I don't even do my eyebrows to begin with. I don't shade them. I don't even have eyebrow stuff. And you just put eyeshadow on my eyebrows. So we got some nice thick eyebrows. Lots of dark colors on the lids. Got a cat eye. One cat eye. Oh, got some nice nude lips. I think they're pretty good.
Awesome.
That's it for this video. If you guys liked it, make sure to like and subscribe. And also, make sure to follow me on Instagram because I'm always posting like exciting things that's happening. And if you do follow me on Instagram, you know that we're going to New York. Whoa. We're going to New York with two of his other sisters, and so that's going to be in January. That is for sure going to be a vlog, guys, in the next couple of weeks. Lots of fun things happening. But that's it. Anything else?
Yeah.
No? And what should they do?
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe. Anyway, that's all I have. I'll see you guys next week with my new video. Bye.
Oh my. Thanks for doing my makeup. I got a face full of lipstick.